Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take you through the whole process of resetting your Tesla and then transferring ownership to the new owner in the app. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we are resetting my 2015 Tesla Model S. We sold this car on Cars and Bids here a couple weeks ago, and the owner made payment, and we're ready to get everything transferred over before he picks it up, just to make sure that he'll have access to the supercharger network on his drive home. So first thing we're going to do is do the factory reset. We're going to go down here, go to Service, and then over here you'll see where we have Factory Reset. And so then we need to enter my email address and password that I'm logged into with here. So I'm going to go ahead and type all that in. Okay, once you have all that typed in, then we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And then it tells you all the stuff here. It's going to erase everything from the car. It's actually going to do the camera calibration clear and put everything back to factory. So we're going to go ahead and hit reset. And now this here will take a couple minutes. Car will reset, screens will all shut off and then come back up, and we should be all cleared out. All right, guys, we're going to do the transfer now. The easiest way to transfer if you're doing a private party sale. So this will be the quickest method. So inside your Tesla app, we're going to go up to the top right corner, and then we're going to go to My Products. Find your car in here that you're going to transfer. So the Model S there. And right here at the bottom, it says Remove or Transfer Ownership. So we're going to do that. And it's telling you what you need here. You need the new owner's full name, the owner's email address that has an active Tesla account. So I had my guy that's buying the car set up a Tesla account because he hasn't had a Tesla before. It's telling you outstanding balances, insurance policy, that stuff. It's going to say subscriptions will be canceled. Use access to the Tesla app. You will no longer be recognized as the owner. So we're going to lose all of our access in here once this finishes. So, have you sold the vehicle? Technically, yes. He hasn't picked it up, but we're hitting yes because we want all this to be done before he picks it up. So that way he can do supercharging on the way home. So he's already paid me in full for the car, so we're all good there. Individual. We go next. And this is where I have to fill in the new owner's information, so I'm going to do that here quick. And after we do that, we'll just hit on the next button. Alright guys, so I hit next on that, and now it needs a confirmation code. It sends it to your Tesla account to make sure this is legit. So we're going to enter that code in here. And then we're going to confirm. Transfer and remove request received. Your vehicle will be removed from your Tesla app while it's on LTE or Wi-Fi, which I am on Wi-Fi. So this may take a few hours. So we'll check back in after the transfer is complete, and I'll check in with the new owner to make sure that he can see the car in his app, and then we should be all good for him to pick it up. Alright guys, I just got done checking in with the new owner, and the transfer completed within 10 minutes. So he has the car over in his name already. He'll be able to do supercharging on the way home. Definitely the way to go. If you still have the car in your app, initiate that transfer from within there and it'll go a lot quicker. Just need to know their email address for their Tesla account and first and last name. So if you guys have any questions for me on this, leave them down below, but stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.